Container 1 is a rectangular solid whose base is a square. Okay, whatever. Whose base is a square 4 inches on a side. That means what is the side length? Excuse me. 4 inches on a side. That means 4. Yes, you are right. Just square 4 inches on a side. The container 2 is a cylinder whose base is a circle with a diameter of 4 inches, which means what is the radius? 2. Radius is 2. The height of each container is how much? 5, correct? Inches. How much more water in cubic inches? Whenever they are talking about cubic inches, what are they talking about? Surface area or the volume? Volume. How much more water in cubic inches will container 1 hold than the container 2? Correct? Container, what is the volume formula for rectangular solid? The generic volume formula for any three-dimensional object. The generic. But of course, there would be some slight variation based on the shape of the three-dimensional object. The volume formula of any three-dimensional object, it's always base area times the height. That is the generic volume formula. No matter what the three-dimensional object is. As long as the edges are perpendicular to the base. Remember that. As long as the altitude or the vertical edges are perpendicular to the base. Here it's a perpendicular. Luckily, here also is perpendicular, correct? So, same volume formula applies. Here, what is the base area here? Happen to be a square. Area of a square is side square, which is 16. And what is the height? 5. So that is the volume of the rectangular solid. Correct? What is the volume of the cylinder? Again, same volume formula. What is the shape of the base here? Circle. What is the area of a circle formula? Pi r square. That's the base area. You multiply that by height. Everybody got the, what is 2 square? 4 times 5? 20. So 20 pi is the volume of the cylinder. And what is 16 times 5? 80. So 80 is the volume of the rectangular solid. Correct. And he's asking how much more water container 1 hold. So what is he implying? Container 1 has more volume, correct? That means he is asking 80 minus 20 pi, correct? What can I factor between these two terms? 20. So 20 times 4 minus pi. Is that clear?